How to reset YouTube app Explore page. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to reset YouTube app Explore page. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you would like to reset YouTube app Explore page because you are getting unrelated suggestions on your feed, simply you need to launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure to log into your YouTube profile, and you need to make sure that you are at the home tab, and you need to scroll down and search for the unrelated video suggestions. Once you find it, the particular video suggestion that are unrelated for you, you need to select the three dots of the video and then tap not interested. Similarly, you need to do this activity for all unrelated videos, and then you can easily reset YouTube app Explore page. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.